The remnants of Hurricane Ian came up to the northeast. Not too bad here. Anyway, so this looks familiar, right? Broken speed sensor inside a cast iron knuckle. Anyway, so what you got to do is just make sure you clean up the area right over here where the yeah, let me get the light on it for a second. Sorry about that. Where the sensor actually went into the hub. And then what I do is make a drill bit, not make a drill bit, but set up a drill bit so it only goes in so far, and use the tape so you know, you don't drill and hit those block pieces of steel that are on the axle itself, so it can actually pick up the speed of your tire. So you go in this far, use the small one first, and then I use the larger one, and then I use a pick to remove the remnants, and then I remove the axle nut to push them through. So when you remove the axle nut and you push the axle in a little bit, you know, in this one I could probably push in, like, let's say 3/4 of an inch. The axle is actually going to give me enough space because it's tapered in as it goes in from the right to the left, as you see here. All right, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to drill it out, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay, just a quick video in between. I just wanted to show you what it looks like when you're drilling it out. It actually comes out towards us, which is a good thing. It comes out towards the drill bit, you'll find. At least in this application. Most of them that I've done, it does that. And this is what it looks like. This is the first bit. Okay, then you want to take your axle nut, push it in, and this is what it looks like so far. I'm just going to take an ice pick, or a regular pick, whatever, and use a light hammer and get rid of the remnants. And here it is, all plastic. And once I remove the remnants, which takes, you know, another couple of seconds, I can put in the new sensor. Be right back. Okay, these are the two pieces. Perfect 360 that was left. Again, removed it with the ice pick and the hammer. And here it is, all installed. Just got to run the wire, and I am done. Anyway, hope this helps you. This is all I had to do. No axle removal, no, you know, spindle taken apart. Everything stays intact. Easy peasy. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.